this is Lloyd Paul. Lloydy LL77 Paul. Yeah, that's me. Anyways, I just wanted to say, I just do this when I'm nervous. I twiddle my thumbs like a nerd. And then I get shy because I don't know what I'm going to say. I just want to say hi to everybody out there. I'm still with my friend I met at the pickup line. She's kind of vegging over there resting. And but I don't, just like, you know, I'm shy. Not. How y'all doing, man? I'm just freaking want to say thanks to everybody for subscribing to my channel over the last 13 friggin' years. Now it's February. It's my Aunt Val's birthday today, February 4. Happy birthday, Aunt Val. Love you much. Oh, ain't that fancy? Try that at home sometime and be careful, kids. You'll hurt yourself. Just going Don't do it too fast. You might break your friggin' index finger and your middle finger at the same time. And you don't want to break either one of those ones, especially your index finger. Yeah. Ah, man. Well, for the doubters out there, I want to show you something. Everybody said, he ain't gonna do it. He ain't gonna do it. He doesn't know fans. Yeah, I got fans. All over the world. I love my fans. So you guys all take care. And remember, LL77 in the house. Man, I'm starting to get dancing. I'm hyper. I'm sad. I'm shy. Everything going through my head all at once causes a blizzard right in the cortex, right here, of my brain. And all the wires that connect the cortex go weird sometimes, like this. Then I go really strange. I gotta also remember one thing. Trying to use a serious face. Alright, 3 minutes. Okay, I better be careful. Alright, February 2nd, 2022. That was an interesting day. It was 02/02/2022. That's how you write the date down. What? The next confusing date will be February 20th. It'll be 02/20/2022. I had to relook at that. I wrote that down earlier and I said, man, that's freaking cool. Deadly. So imagine in 2222 on February 2nd. That's what I said. Peace out. Much love. LL77 in the house.